Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to leave a group in Messenger. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Messenger application in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. If you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Right now, what we want to do is simply leave a group. To leave a group, initially, what you need to be is part of a group. Right here, I'm in a group with my friends and I want to leave this group right now. So here's what we can do about it. Right here at the very top, there are these three icons, namely audio call, video call and info. Simply click on the third button right here. It's gonna redirect you to a page like this. Simply scroll down till you see something like leave chat right here at the very end. There are other options as well. You can turn off read receipts, block a member or report conversation. But right now, let's simply focus on leaving a chat. At the bottom, here's the button right here, simply click on it. Now it's gonna ask for your confirmation. As I am an admin myself, it's asking me to choose an admin. But right now, I don't want to do anything and simply leave the group. So I'm gonna click on this leave group button. Well guys, that's it. That's how you leave a group in Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.